Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet unusual trim pattern. It consists of only one row. For this one I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 203 meters in 100 grams, and I will take double yarn. You can use any color and any kind of yarn. It depends whatever you want. How to crochet the squares could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Before the beginning, I will show you my squares. I am done 4 squares and joined them together in large piece of work. I remind you the link could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Pattern has only one row, and while making the trim I will show you how to crochet my trim in the corner. Let's crochet the trim. I will begin from the chain space that is on the top of these 2 stitches. You can cut off the yarn, but I continue working with the same color of yarn. I will not cut off the yarn. Insert the hook into the chain space, make a slip stitch. Make 6 double crochet. Instead of first stitch, I make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 5 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Make a chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make single crochet into the chain space. They are my stitches and there is my chain space. That is before the stitches. Make single crochet. Well done. Turn the work. Make 10 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and make the next single crochet into the stitch. Well done. Turn the work. Continue, make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. And make double crochet into the first stitch. Make 6 double crochet in a row. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. Then make chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet. So I continue working in the same way as I showed you before. Turn the work into the chain space that I have just made. Make 10 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Then single crochet into the stitch. Turn the work. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook. Make double crochet into the first stitch, then 5 more by the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. Then chain of 9 and so on. Here what I have, I call it them segments. Let's look at my trim. I will count from the second segment. In total it should be 5 such segments. I will count from this one. I have done 2 of them. Then you should work with 3 more by yourself. I have done all 5 segments. Here how they look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I continue working on my trim. Make 6 double crochet. Insert the hook into the chain space that is in the corner. Make 6 double crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Well done. And now I continue working on such segments one more time. Chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook into the chain space that is after stitches. Make single crochet. Turn the work. Make 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you should continue working in the same way as I showed you before. So I'm going to do 4 more segments into this chain space. Let's look at my project. My trim is almost done, but as you can see I need to do 1 more segment. As you can see I need to do 1 more floral trim. As you remember, my pattern has only one row. Let's stop at this point. Each pattern consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 small segments. As you can see, this one I made into the chain space that is in the corner. After this, I did 6 double crochet that I did on the top, and you should make 6 double crochet into this chain space. I have done already my 6 double crochet at this point, and now I show you how to crochet my 6 double crochet that is on the seam where my motifs was joined. Then you should crochet motif or trim into the chain space, and after that you should work into the chain space. It is very easy to make, so it's not difficult, I think. So now I continue working on my trim. Let's look at this side. Now I continue. I stop at this point. I have done my floral segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point where I join two motifs together. And now I show you how to crochet the stitches. I continue working on my trim. Work into the 2 double crochet into the chain space. There is the first one, 1 and 2. Then double crochet into the chain, then double crochet into the single crochet, like this. Then 2 double crochet into the next chain space. I have done all 6 stitches. Then chain of 9 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And work with the chain space that is after stitches. Make single crochet. Then you should continue working by yourself. Let's stop and look at my trim pattern. They are my stitches on the top. This is the corner on the top. This is the joining point. You should work with chain spaces that is after or before 6 double crochet, like this. Let's turn a little bit and look. I remind you, I used the same color of yarn, but you can use any color. You can use this string for any product. Now I'm going to finish my row. I will work with this floral motif or segment. Then I'm going to work into the 3rd chain stitch, make a slip stitch. So that's it. This is my ready project. My trim pattern consists of only 1 row. Each small segment consists of 5 small segments. How to crochet the squares could be found in the description below this video tutorial. You can crochet any amount of squares and just decorate them using this pattern. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. This pattern can be used for any product, such as clothes, rugs, tablecloths, or another accessories. Thank you so much for watching Crochet with me. Bye!